What a beautiful day. The sun is out, the birds are chirping. That's it. Ah! What was that? Yeah, that's like a backpack.
Greetings, Earthling.
Wait, are we rolling?
Guys!
What is it, Fozzie?
Guys, I saw something horrible.
What was it?
It was something so despicable, so revolting. I can't possibly describe it.
What was it?
It was an alien!
An alien?
An alien!
You saw an alien?
Yes, I saw an alien!
Well, I might be an old-fashioned spoon, but I can tell you that is complete bullcrap.
But I'm telling you, I really saw an alien.
Fozzie, the grand majority of the time, you have always spouted some random bullcrap that isn't true, and it was the scariest crap you've ever seen.
Name one. Guys, they're gonna redo the election. Guys, Mephisto's gonna be in WandaVision. Guys, there's a hand grabbing my butt. Do you mind? But those were all made for this video.
Okay, we just did 2 fourth wall breaks in a row. If we keep doing that crap, the audience will think we're out of joke ideas and just do a bunch of random fourth wall jokes.
But I really did see an alien.
Sure you did, dude. Sure you did.
I'll prove it. I'll go find him.
How much bet he's not gonna find anything?
All the money I have. Greetings, human.
Guys, it's the alien.
Damn it! Hello, Earthlings.
So, mister,
My name is Grimlock. I am from the planet Shmibuluk.
Grimlock from the planet Shmibuluk, what brings you to Earth?
I am in search of intelligent life form. Clearly, I am in the wrong place. Goodbye.
Wait, don't leave!
Why is it that you insist that I stay, Earthling?
Well, because we... Crap, what... Hold on, wait, what do we need him to stay for?
I don't know. What are you asking me for?
We don't get aliens that often, so we just wanted to see what you're like.
Very well, then. But before you learn more about my homeworld, what is that?
That's the camera.
What is this camera?
The camera. See, this is a YouTube comedy series. It's actually episode 65.
I do not know what this YouTube is. Is it a series of pain and torture?
No. Well, debatably no, but still.
Oh, I was right to be worried. This guy's scary.
Come on, Fozzie, you hardly know the guy.
Dude, he just said that he would like to rule the world, bro.
Oh. Let's get the hell out of here.
They think they're going to leave alive. So I just got word from the doctor, and I think it might be a tumor.
Who the frick starts a conversation like that? Hey, Mr. Alien, who we forgot the name of. What are you doing? Oh, God, he's giving us the silent treatment. This can't be good.
Wow! Hey, thanks for watching the mid-season finale of Animal Logic Season 5. Yes, this season's going to be twice as long as usual, with 26 episodes instead of 13. Yay. So after this, Animal Logic gonna be going on a bit of a hiatus for the month of July, but I'll be back in time for August for Friday the 13th, Part 2, because there's a Friday the 13th coming out in August. Yeah, Friday the 13th, that much. So I'll bring back Jason. I have the mask somewhere in this mess underneath my bed, so I'll do that. I'll bring Jason back for a video, and I'll be wearing a costume in the hot August heat. So yeah, that will certainly be a whole lot of fun. Yeah. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. This is gonna be the start of the new storyline. Yeah, I'm gonna do an alien storyline next. Will the next Animal Logic be set in space? Will Jason go to space? Who knows? You're gonna have to watch the videos to find out, you stupid sack of crap. Anyway, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, comment. What am I using? Am I even speaking English today? Like, comment, subscribe, ring the bell. You all know what to do by now. Please, please, please. Oh, last I checked, like, the grand majority of you aren't subscribed yet, so please subscribe to the channel. I am really freaking desperate. I'd be kidding, but honestly, half of this isn't even a joke. Anyway, guys, I'll see you later. Bye.